Hello, friends. Welcome to AnyTalk English.
Hi, everyone. I am Chloe.
And I am Jack.
Today, we have a great adventure. It is not a normal day.
Haha, that's right. We find a magic compass and we go to a secret island.
We will learn many useful English words today.
Are you ready? Let's go!
Wait, please click the like and subscribe buttons first.
Enjoy the video!
This attic is very dirty.
Yes, there is a lot of dust here.
Wow, look at that corner.
What is it, Jack?
I see an old box. It looks very heavy.
Wait, don't open it yet.
Why not? I want to see inside.
Actually, we don't know what is inside. It can be a spider.
Oops, I am not afraid of spiders. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! It is glowing!
Look, Chloe. It is a golden compass.
It is beautiful. The needle is moving fast.
This is very strange. A compass does not glow.
Jack, put it down. It is dangerous.
No! Wait! I feel something strange!
Oops. Where are we?
I don't know. We are not in the attic.
Look at those big trees and listen to the birds.
It is very hot here and humid.
Yes, I am sweating. Actually, this is a real jungle.
Jack, look at the compass. The light is gone.
Oh no, it is sleeping. How can we go home?
We must find a way. Let's walk this way.
Wait, did you hear that?
Yes, something is moving in the bushes.
Hey! Stop! That is my compass!
It is a small monkey. He is running away.
Come back here! We need that!
Run faster, Jack! We must catch him!
Phew! I'm tired. I cannot run anymore.
Look! The monkey is sitting on that tree!
But there is a big river! We cannot cross it!
Wait, look at the water. I see something green.
Wow, those are crocodiles. They have big teeth.
We cannot swim. We need a bridge.
I see big rocks in the water. Let's jump on the rocks.
Okay, but be careful. Do not fall in the water.
1, 2, 3. It is easy.
Wait for me! My shoes are slippery.
Hold my hand. I got you.
Thank you, Jack. We are safe now.
Hey, monkey, please give me the compass.
Actually, I have a good idea. Monkeys love bananas.
Wow. Where did you get that?
I found it on the ground. Hello, little monkey. Are you hungry?
Here you go. Thank you for the compass.
Great job, Chloe. You are very smart.
It is very dark inside this cave.
The compass is pointing this way. We must go in.
Don't worry. I have a flashlight.
Wow! Look at the wall! It is beautiful!
Yes, there are glowing stones. They are purple and green.
Look over there! What is that big box?
It is a treasure chest. I only saw this in movies.
It looks very old. There is a lot of dust.
But it is locked. We need a key.
Wait, the compass is glowing again.
Oops! It opened! The compass is the key!
Let's open the chest. 1, 2, 3!
Wow! Look at all this gold! We are rich!
Wait, Jack. Look at this.
What is it? Is it more gold?
No, it is an old map. It shows a secret island.
This is amazing! Another adventure is waiting for us.
Jack, the compass is glowing very bright.
It is spinning fast. What is happening?
I think we are going home. The magic is starting.
Oh no. I want to stay longer.
Hold my hand, Jack. We must go together.
Okay, I am ready. Goodbye, Secret Island!
Wow, that was a great adventure. Did you have fun?
Yes. Now, it is time to review. Let's practice 5 key sentences.
Listen carefully and speak loudly. We will do it slow first, then normal.
Where are we? It's an expression you use when you're lost. Where are we? Where are we?
Look at those big trees. They are used to point at something. Look at those big trees. Look at those big trees.
Come back here. Use it to call someone who is running away. Come back here. Come back here.
It's really dark. This is used when you can't see your surroundings. It is very dark. It is very dark.
Hold my hand. Use it when you help someone. Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Great job, everyone! Your English is getting better and better.
Today, we learned how to talk about places and actions. It was very helpful.
Yes. If you find a magic box, always be careful.
We have a treasure map now. Next time, maybe another adventure?
Before we go, we have a question for you.
If you open a treasure chest, what do you want to find inside? Gold? Toys? Or maybe a lot of candy?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time on AnyTalk English.
Bye-bye!